Jacob, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. I'm a little bit unclear of which way or what they're actually asking in this activity. So I'm going to do it two ways. If they mean just substituting in the root 2, what we would get would be root 2 to the third plus root 2 squared minus 2 root 2 minus 2 should equal 0. And then from there what we want to do is simplify each one of these things. So this is actually root 2 times root 2 squared. And we know that root 2 squared is just going to be just 2, because the root and the square cancel each other out. So what we get is 2 root 2. This, again, cancels out. Root 2 squared is just going to be 2. Then minus root 2, 2 root 2, minus 2 equals 0. So negative root 2 root 2, and root 2 goes to 0, and 2 and negative 2 goes to 0. So 0 equals 0. So this will be one of our roots. And they already gave us that root. Or the other way is to find the other roots. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to factor by grouping. So we're going to factor out right here an x squared. So we get x plus 1 minus, and we're going to factor out here a negative 2. So we get x plus 1. So what we see here, well, we get 2x minus 2, or x squared minus 2, times x plus 1. If we factor out the x plus 1, that's what we get, is equal to 0. And then we see that our answer right here would be root 2. That's the one they gave us. But to find the other roots, it's going to be negative root 2 is going to make this equal 0. And then this one is going to be negative 1. So our first one was root 2. Our second one that we found was negative root 2. And the last one is negative 1. And that's what x equals. All right? Thank you for sending in your question tonight, Jacob, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.